You just get the one day off.
Yes, aye. And then on Monday to Friday.
Oh, that's alright.
And then 2 weeks holiday.
Oh yeah.
Aye. Now I've just washed this bike. So guaranteed it's going to come back minging.
Does it take you long though?
No. I've been on silly shifts this week at work, so I've not had a chance to wash it. We've never done your chain.
Alright.
Done mine though.
It usually looks good.
Yeah. I probably over cleaned my chain, to be honest. But then again, there's not a single spot of rust on my chain.
Oh, there isn't it?
And it's done 8,019 miles.
Is that another chain you bought?
No, that's a chain from new.
I thought you said 1,000.
No, 8,019 mile. That's what the bike's done now.
Fucking hell, you've done just about as much that bike as this one's done.
Aye. And yours is what, 13 years old?
Aye, it will be. Oops, I never indicated.
I neither that. Ouch.
Ouch, ouch.
Fuck
Oh.
me, man. There we go.
Ah, your bike's still fucking clean.
Was it?
Aye.
I bet it's no. No, it's not too bad, Alec.
It's alright.
Considering I washed it just before we went out. If it was dirty, you were going to have to wash it anyway.
Mine is.
Aye, still clean. Right, let's get a brew. What do you say?
Phone connected. Rider A ready.
This Cardo's going crazy. Well, that was a good wee Starbucks, Alec.
It was excellent, eh? Thank you.
The cake was actually nice. Fucking expensive though, but it was nice.
I like that.
What's that? Well, the 650. Oh, it's alright, like. Oh, fuck, hold on. My alarm's gone off. Need to take the tracker off it, or deactivate it. There we go. Oh. You want to?
I was about to roll this down the hill and jump on it, but it's alright.
No, that was only last week. Thanks, pal. You want to go up the 702?
Do what?
The bigger road?
Aye. Watch the hole going around here.
Oh, I see it, aye. Bloody hell. That's some size of hole, that, eh?
That'd make a mess.
Definitely. I can still hear that flapping.
I don't know what that is then, because I've tied it up.
Yeah. I wonder if it's your chin guard, your chin curtain.
Shouldn't be. No, that's what I tied up. Oh, look at that.
It's nice, eh?
Aye.
There's more.
Look at that. Old Morris.
Aye.
MG.
Oh, Cortina. Another Moggy. No, Tranny. Mark 1, Bill Nose.
Oh, look at that.
Nice, eh?
Aye, crack it.
Ah, there must have been a car show on the day. You still there? Hey Cardo, call intercom.
Call intercom.
It switched me off and turned the phone on.
What was that?
My intercom, it switched off and it connected to the phone.
Yeah.
I tell you, this is a good wee road, the bigger road. This is the road that I used to come up all the time when I was coming up for England.
The amount of times I've driven back, coming up for like Somerset or Exeter or Plymouth.
Yeah. I have brought a good few trucks and coaches and
Look at that.
what have you up here, up this road.
That was definitely something on today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Saving fuel.
I'll just turn mine off for now.
$10,446 I've done there.
I've done 8,076 miles. That's alright. Just over a year.
Reset my trip the last time, bastard. I've still got 2 bars left.
Uh-huh.
Capri,
Nice.
go left.
It's up to yourself.
Yeah, go left.
You like that road, don't you?
I don't mind this road, I quite like the other road as well.
Stag.
It's good with the comms, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely brilliant. It's a game changer.
Will we just go to West Calder along that way?
It's up to yourself, aye. See what's changed in West Calder since we were last there. Chris Roadworks here again.
I know. It's a fucking joke, innit?
I think I came down this road last year and there was roadworks on it. It was good seeing the old cars, eh?
It was, aye.
And trucks and that.
That Princess Random Plat was nice, eh?
Yeah.
I quite fancy buying an old bike, the one that's already done up.
Yeah.
No, like maybe that 900 Honda I had, something like that.
Aye. Relive your youth.
Didn't that, innit?
Aye, that's true. $8106, that's my mileage now.
Oh, I got. Oh, fuck. How come I not go unless the fucking thing's running? Because I've got the kill switch. 10477.
I'm not far behind you.
According to this, I've done 300 mile in that tank.
That's good.
That's good going, eh?
Aye.
Battery status 75%.